What drives an ESTP? Action, impact, and a hint of risk. Their hobbies often reflect these traits: fast-paced, exciting, and a bit daring. But what if we add activities that challenge them in other ways? Intellectual hobbies sharpen their strategic thinking, while creative ones unleash their innovative side, transforming spontaneous ideas into impressive projects. Physical hobbies keep ESTPs energized, satisfying their need for speed and intensity. Money-making hobbies also appeal to their practical, results-oriented mindset. For ESTPs, the right hobby should fit their adventurous lifestyle. Is it flexible enough to match their spontaneity? Does it suit their surroundings, offering quick access to either urban thrills or outdoor adventures? And just as important, does it work within their budget and time limits, allowing them to dive in without getting bogged down by too many details? ESTPs, known for their energetic and spontaneous nature, thrive on hobbies that match their dynamic spirit. Staying active helps ESTPs keep up the stamina needed to dive into life's adventures with full intensity. Here are some great options. Kickboxing. More than just punches and kicks, kickboxing is a full-body workout that sharpens reflexes and builds endurance. It challenges ESTPs to think on their feet and stay both physically and mentally agile, all while blowing off steam in a high-energy setting. Speed skating. In speed skating, racers are timed as they fly around a rink, requiring explosive strength and endurance. This competitive sport appeals to the ESTP's love for speed and challenge, providing a perfect outlet for their high energy and quick reflexes. Parkour. Parkour turns urban landscapes into personal obstacle courses. It's ideal for ESTPs, who crave spontaneity and flexibility, and it offers an exciting way to build agility, strength, and the ability to think on the go. Surfing. Surfing combines the thrill of riding waves with the challenge of balance and timing, making every session an adventure. It's perfect for ESTPs, who enjoy tackling the unpredictable and appreciate the camaraderie of the surfing community. ESTPs are sharp thinkers who can thrive on hobbies that challenge their intellect and broaden their knowledge. These intellectual pursuits let ESTPs use their problem-solving skills in fresh ways, keeping them ready to tackle real-world challenges with a new perspective. Homebrewing. Homebrewing combines science with creativity, making it a perfect fit for ESTPs. It involves experimenting with ingredients, understanding chemical reactions, and enjoying the tangible results of their efforts. Plus, it's a great way to spark conversation at social gatherings. Amateur geology. Amateur geology invites ESTPs to study and collect rock specimens while learning about Earth processes. This hobby appeals to their love of outdoor exploration and hands-on learning, allowing them to discover different terrains and satisfy their curiosity about the natural world. Language learning. Learning new languages is both practical and mentally stimulating. It satisfies an ESTP's adventurous spirit by opening up new cultures and experiences, and it also sharpens their cognitive skills as they learn to think and communicate in entirely new ways. Creativity isn't confined to the arts. It's a way of thinking that ESTPs can harness in dynamic ways. These creative hobbies give ESTPs a powerful outlet for their energy and a space to express their bold personalities, turning imaginative ideas into real-world results. Graffiti art. Bold, vibrant, and a bit rebellious, just like ESTPs. Graffiti allows them to make a statement, leaving a visible mark on their surroundings and showcasing their dynamic personality and creative instincts on a large scale. DIY projects. From building furniture to upcycling old items, DIY projects let ESTPs apply their problem-solving skills to create something functional and stylish. It's hands-on, practical, and highly satisfying, aligning perfectly with their love for creativity that serves a purpose. Video production. Creating videos, from planning and filming to editing and publishing, lets ESTPs dive into a process that's both technical and artistic. This hobby combines their love of action with the thrill of engaging an audience, offering a unique blend of creative and technical challenges. Improv comedy. Improv comedy involves performing without a script, requiring quick thinking and adaptability. This fast-paced interactive art form is ideal for ESTPs, who thrive on spontaneity and enjoy making others laugh. It not only enhances their creative thinking, but also sharpens their social skills in a lively, fun setting. Known for their action-oriented approach, ESTPs can also benefit from hobbies that build skills in reflection and patience. Balancing active pursuits with reflective hobbies strengthens their ability to handle life's challenges, ensuring they're effective not only in action, but also in planning and self-reflection. Volunteering. Though it may not be the first hobby an adventurous ESTP thinks of, volunteering is a powerful way to build empathy and interpersonal skills. Volunteering can be dynamic and hands-on, matching an ESTP's energy and need for tangible impact, while also exposing them to perspectives beyond their usual experiences. Mindfulness and meditation. While meditation might seem static, it offers huge benefits for ESTPs by encouraging them to slow down and reflect, providing a contrast to their fast-paced lifestyle. Practicing mindfulness can improve focus and stress management, giving ESTPs tools to handle their spontaneous lives with a more balanced, calm approach. Wilderness survival skills. Learning wilderness survival skills, like building shelters or finding food, appeals to ESTP's adventurous side while encouraging foresight and preparation. This hobby combines excitement with planning, helping ESTPs balance their spontaneous nature with strategic thinking skills. ESTPs thrive when they can turn a fun activity into a profitable venture. With natural strengths like adaptability, strategic thinking, and people skills, ESTPs can find ways to monetize almost any hobby. From sports coaching to crafting and selling DIY creations, the possibilities are endless. Check out our video on ESTP careers for more inspiration. Ready to dive into a new hobby? Connect with experienced enthusiasts to learn the basics. Consider taking classes to deepen your knowledge and tailor the hobby to fit your energetic lifestyle. Remember, the key is flexibility and a healthy dose of commitment, so the hobby stays enjoyable and integrates seamlessly into your adventurous life. Engaging in hobbies can bring tremendous benefits, enhancing your physical fitness, creativity, balance, intellectual growth, and even financial stability. Each type of hobby offers unique rewards, helping you build a richer, well-rounded life. Which of these activities sparks your interest? Whether you're eager to conquer new challenges, create impressive projects, or simply enjoy a change of pace, there's a hobby out there that's a perfect match for your personality. For more insights into the ESTP life, Explore the resources linked in the video description. Feel free to check out our other ESTP videos on the Personality Playbook channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you reach your full potential.